Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, I am in a 4 hours time frame, my favorite 4 hours time frame. So as we all know, there was some sharp selling pressure on Friday's session, and as you can also see it on the chart, these three big fat red candles. Okay, so at first let's do the analysis. Okay, so if I zoom out the chart, then we can see that overall the trend of the market is still towards the upside. No doubt that market has formed a downward channel, and market is kind of trading in between that downward channel, but still the overall trend of the market is still towards the upside, because see, until and unless market crosses this level, okay, until and unless market crosses this particular level, we cannot confirm that yes, the trend of the market has changed. No doubt there market is facing some selling pressure, or market faced some selling pressure during the past week, but still the overall market is up. Okay, and we will consider the market is an uptrend until and unless market crosses this level. We only consider a trend reversal when we get a V formation or a inverted V formation. And till now, okay, market is in uptrend. Okay, until and unless we get this kind of a formation, okay, we cannot consider this as a trend reversal. Therefore, overall the trend of the market is still towards the upside. And whenever a market is in uptrend, our duty is to buy, stay with the trend. Therefore, staying with the trend means mainly we should look for buying opportunities, whereas on a downtrend market, our duty is to follow the trend and mainly look for shorting opportunities. Okay, and we can see here in this chart that market is following a trend line here. So whenever market came down, market respected this particular red line. Okay, and this red line is acting as support for the market. Whereas on the upside, we can see that we have also a trend line here, and this red line is acting as a resistance for the market. You can also draw these lines under 4 hours time frame. Okay, please draw these lines and try to analyze the chart from your own perspective. Okay, so overall the market is in uptrend. Okay, but right now market is in downtrend following a channel. Okay, and we have a resistance also, and we have a support also. And as we all know, before executing any order, we should always find the area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. Okay, generally in an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the support. And considering the overall trend of the market, the best trading opportunity is this level, this red line. Okay, let the market open on Monday. After the market opening, just see and observe the price. Okay, if you just see where the price moves, if you see that price is slipping or price is coming down, then just observe the price once it touches this red line. Okay, because this red line is acting as a support for the market for quite a long time, for on many instances. Okay, therefore there is a good possibility that this dynamic support will again provide the required support to the market, and we will get a good buying opportunity. Therefore, let the market open on Monday, and if market bounces from this red line, then that's a good signal and we can go for a buy. And you will get the confirmation in the form of a price rejection from below, or a hammer kind of pattern, okay, or a green candle. Okay, remember, confirmation is always important. Okay, so this is the best level. Okay, so and this is your first trading opportunity. On the other hand, if you see that, okay, if you see that market is respecting this particular level, okay, the present level, and if market bounces from this here, from this particular level, then you can also go for a buy here. Okay, but remember one thing, market must open and market must settle on Monday. After the market opening on Monday, do not buy right away. Let the market settle down. If you see that market is not ready to go down again, okay, then you can go for a buying order if market reverses from the present position, okay. I'm not giving you any exact value or any exact figure, because see, these are all dynamics. This is a dynamic support and this is also not a fixed figure, okay. Just try to understand the understand the strategy. Just try to understand the market emotion. Just try to read the market emotion and act accordingly, okay. So this is your second buying opportunity, okay, the present market price level, okay. And the third trading opportunity is, yes, this line or this level, okay, 1.2233. Yes, this level is also very much important for the market. I have already shown in my previous videos that this level belongs to the weekly chart. The weekly chart, the time frame of the big boys, the big players, okay. So this is the weekly chart of Euro USD, and if I remove the drawings and zoom in, okay, you can see that this is you can see that though market is in uptrend on a weekly chart also, but right now market is facing some price struggle, okay, because see, market formed this shooting star pattern on third week of Feb, and currently market is struggling hard to cross this particular level. For past 4 weeks, for 1 month, past 4 weeks, market is struggling. Market has formed, see, market has formed spinning top dojis, which means indecision. But still market failed to cross. As a result, this level has become extremely important for us, okay. And our third opportunity is this level. So let the market open on Monday, and if you see that if you miss this opportunity or this opportunity, and if market sharply moves upward, okay, then you'll also get an opportunity to short the market at this red line, okay, because this level is also acting as a resistance for the market. Just like the previous times, if you see that market is unable to cross the line, market is struggling, price is struggling at this red line, you can short the market here, okay. And if market crosses this level, okay, do not buy. If market crosses this level, do not buy. Again, you can short the market here, 1.2233 level, okay. So there are many possibilities on Euro USD chart available for us right now. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, okay, then also you'll get a buying opportunity, but uh, that's uh, that's a different chapter, okay. That's a different chapter, because see, right now market is trading here, and if market goes up, crosses this level, then it will take a long time, and we also need confirmation. So I'll tell you to avoid if market crosses, because I'll be covering that part on Monday. So till now, whatever I have said, just keep in mind that those are the opportunities available for you right now on the Euro USD chart, okay. Buy here, okay. If market reverses and shows good buying pressure here, then you can also buy here. If market goes up and reverses from this particular red line, then you can also short here, okay. So these are the three possibilities, and the fourth possibility is if market crosses this level and reverses from here, then also you can short the market at this price level. So these are all the possibilities on Euro USD chart and strategies that you can follow for Euro USD. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday.